Nigerian Democratic Congress, NDC. Is it a problem? I should not have promoted this NDC. I have taken this decision after wide consultations with my family, my constituents and supporters, in view of the lingering divisions in the leadership and unending litigations in the African Democratic Congress. I remain committed to making my contributions towards the development of our dear nation, but this time through the NDC. Please accept the assurances of my highest regards. Yours faithfully, Distinguished Senator Victor Oefah. Congratulations. But do we expect further defection, or this is the last one? This is the last one. So is this in line with my doctrine of Osondu Weru? The race for life. Please note. Thank you. ADC and declaration for Labour Party. Maybe all those defecting from ADC should just compile everything in one paper and bring, so that we don't keep announcing. Because I think ADC is dead. Well, that depends on the Constitution. Senator Ashur is asking, how many times can you defect in a month? Please, you have to ask Senator Aparibe. Senator Aliru, as an elder statesman, the question is, how many times can you defect in a month? Once. But some have done 3 times. So that's why I'm saying, as the spirit directs, it's the voice of the gods. I'm ready to keep announcing, but let us compile all, so that it doesn't look like a daily ritual. Let's compile the names. If you are defecting from Labour, you write all of you. If you are moving from ADC, you write all of you. If you are entering NDC, you write all of you. And then if you are going to Accord, you write. It's neater that way than one name. Well, this one is from an elder statesman. So all the announcements I'll make today is the race for life.